What is a perfect breakfast for wintertime? Please watch until the end of this video as I teach you how to prepare the perfect fare for breakfast. Welcome to the 16th episode of Lukban Cuisine, the steps on how to make traditional Filipino and American breakfast. Champorado meets bacon.
Hi guys, this is Forlit Sistematalaki and welcome to my channel, The Forlit Sky. In today's video, I would like to show you on how to make the good breakfast for winter time. Classic Filipino breakfast. Champorado is a chocolate-flavored rice porridge. Champorado is a perfect match for tuyo. However, I preferred my champorado to be paired with bacon. American dish which is bacon and the champorado for me is a perfect match for breakfast in winter time. According to the history, champorado was first introduced to the Philippines by Mexican traders. The history of champorado is said to be traced to the galleon trade between Mexico and the Philippines. Okay, so let's get started. So here are the following ingredients. 2 cups of cooked rice. You can use any kind of rice. Some people use sweet rice, some people use long grain rice or short grain rice. But for me, I always prefer to use a cooked rice. So today, I will use 2 cups of cooked rice. I learned on how to incorporate some American ingredients. Aside from 2 cups of rice, I will use oatmeal. Why oatmeals? Oats are among the healthiest grains on earth. They are gluten-free, whole grain, and a great source of important vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Too much rice is not good, so oat is just perfect to balance and alternate for rice. A study shows that oatmeal has many health benefits. These include weight loss, lower blood sugar levels, and a reduced risk of heart disease. In this recipe, I use 3 types of chocolate. I love my dish as richer as it can be, so incorporating these 3 different kinds of chocolate will accomplish the richness of my champorado. Let me introduce you the first one. So use Nesquick. 1 cup of Nesquick, half cup of pure cocoa powder chocolate. Another chocolate that I use is truffles. So use the truffles just to make it a little bit special. Truffles is one of my favorite chocolate. Of course, you have to put water in a champorado and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We need to put the salt so that it amplifies the flavor of champorado. Now let's start with 6 cups of water and make it to a boil. Add the 2 cups of cooked rice to the boiling water. Stir it. Then add a cup of oatmeal and stir it again. Keep stirring until the rice is loosened. Next, pour the Nesquick slowly and keep stirring like so. Then pour the pure cocoa powder and keep stirring until it thickens. Give it about 5 minutes on medium heat. I'm going to put 5 pieces of truffles. By the way, this is optional. I just want to make it special and rich in flavor. Lower the heat into medium for about 20 minutes. So the last ingredients I'm going to put in my cooking is the 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Salt in and give it a stir. If along the way you may need to add more water, so be it and add some water. Right now I don't need to put water yet, but let's see later. Okay, so 20 minutes and I think this is ready. So but before that, let's start cooking our pair and match for this champorado. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and smash that like button. Now let's cook our bacon to pair with champorado. Cut your bacon in half if you're using a small pan so it will fit in. Smells so good. The aroma of bacon and chocolate rice porridge starts my day with positive energy. Look at that. Okay, now ready to plate and taste. But first, let me open the condensed milk for toppings and to complete the dish. Finally, we place one chocolate truffle on top of the champorado to make it even more special. Okay guys, I'm ready to taste it. Look at this chocolate. It's still melting. Let me taste. It is so delicious. Yummy. It's a perfect breakfast for winter time. Be safe, be strong, and be positive. Thanks for watching The Porridge Sky. See you next time.